Here's a bit of a pan around of this gold mine. And there's way more than you see in this pan around. Every corner does it again. So we got our Kenworth 840 somethings or WHD. Another Kenworth 840 something. Drills, Traxons or Chapmans. Logging trailers. I'm standing on a 980 wheel loader. This one's a heartbreaker. A D8. A nice straight D8 too. Is it a K? It's an H. And we got trucks and water tankers and Hazes and Pacifics. And more of them and more of them. And 2 tons and 3 tons behind that. And Crummies. Kenworth 900s. Way back there, that silver cab. Got our next BC Forest Products. Unit something 9509. Somebody worked this up and down the coast. This has a drill on it. D8 with a drill. And a loader.